Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so last video we did make some progress. Before we jump back into the code, we do have a pending pull request here for cleaning up some JSON stuff. Let's see. So if load config load JSON. Save JSON. Okay. Load JSON. Oof, the diff is pretty intense. The diff is really intense. Oof. Oof. Okay, let's look at this here first. So he moved this to these standalone functions. That is good. Get to, yeah, code align, padding, blah, blah. Okay. From JSON to JSON. Okay. From JSON name offset size to JSON. Okay, simple enough. But then why is this still here? Okay, so I'm wondering like what's going on here. The point of the to JSON and from JSON functions was to simplify the actual code that serializes by doing it no longer in place. Why is there a particular reason why the legacy in place JSON constructs are still present? simplify the actual code that serializes. Is to simplify the actual code that serializes the types. The polynomial function is to simplify the actual code that serializes them, but doing it no longer in place. Is that particularly a reason why the legacy in place JSON constructs are still present? Also, is there a reason these are all caps? Typically, this naming style is reserved for macros. Okay, but otherwise, yeah, load JSON, save JSON. I mean, this looks good to me. Like, it makes it really simple to just cater to the new fields when added to the struct, right? So that is good, if complete. But yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Like, my hope was that the save JSON and load JSONs, that they get super simple, that we don't have any, like this here. I don't know. So for example here, like, why is this still here? Same here. And here. So something, I don't know, something is not right here. Also, why did the forward change here? Why did the forward include change? Also, this looks duplicate because let me see, executable types. Let's look at PDB reader types. So this one uses forwards. PDB reader types .h includes this. Can this not be done here too? Also, this looks to be unnecessary because executable types.h now includes JSON. Includes JSON already. I wonder, yeah, I don't know. To me, it doesn't look right. I didn't look into all intricacies. I don't know. Okay, I guess this is good. Simplification here. That's good. Yeah. Let's submit this for now. Good. All right, let's get back to code. Good. So in GUI app. So what we need to think about now is how do we organize our table with the 2 columns where all the content is supposed to be in. Right now it's a bit of a mess. Yeah. It is a bit of a mess. How about we rename this to comparison selection. Comparison selection. Child also has a is content visible. I wonder. Do we use this anywhere else? Child. Yeah. Okay. Looks like we need to add some more checks here. If child is content visible. Well, it's a bit unpleasant that we have to go into so many scopes. Yeah. But okay. Okay. Well, the more scopes, the better, right? Okay. Okay, so we somehow need to... Let me see. Let's ask our friend ChatGPT. With ImGUI, how can we build a table with 2 columns and then just append one row after another with arbitrary contents, with 2 columns, and then just append one row after another with arbitrary contents. The table should be totally invisible and practically simply divide the window, divide the ImGUI window into two panes, columns. Let's see what invisible table. Yeah. Okay. No pad out. No borders in body. Huh? Call one content? Append to visible table. Okay, that is wild. Table next row. Table next row. Yeah, I don't like the callback approach, but in principle, sizing stretch same. Let's see our flags here. We have this flag. We don't have the others. Are they necessary? Oof. Let's see. Const expr imgui table flags. Table flags. Ah, I could have just copied the whole thing. Begin table ID to table row next. Okay. Table row, table next row. And then table okay, how about table set column index I, and then this. Oof, but this will be a lot of duplication, no? Let's see. So we got this, and then we take a copy. Oof. Here, take a copy, and it's a bit sad because it's so much code for just creating this one row. Poof. Okay, let's see if that works in principle. Yeah, and then we go from there. Oh, okay. Maybe we should have the padding. Let's see. No borders in body. No pad outer inner. No borders. Yeah, let's try this one. I think this is fair. Okay, so let's select this, compare. Yeah. Oof. Aha. Actually, this looks promising. Okay, so here we need to move this away. We need to remove this here. Okay, let's say that. Compare. Oh. Okay, that is unexpected. That is unexpected. Let's see, let's put a breakpoint here. I0, I2, file, descriptor, files. It claims it has compilance, source files, and single bundle build, but is that true? Huh. Okay, to me it looks like a component bundles and source file bundles. They should have been cleared, but they were not cleared. Uh-oh. What did we do wrong? I think I know what's wrong. create loads async, compare async here. Build bundled. I think the problem is here we need to say else util free container file dot file dot compilant bundles and source file bundles. There we go. But hold on. Let's go back to our debug. It does claim that the bundles have been built. Where? This should not be the case. Uh-oh. No. Let me see. In compare async, this. Here, it should have been set to false here. Hä? File descriptor. Descriptor X. Boah. So it never went into this here as well. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, how about we debug? That's probably the easiest. Yeah. Good. So we first load this, and then we put the breakpoints. Put a breakpoint here. Then we click here and click compare. Okay, good. So load file count is 2. So currently our files have everything is set true here and everything is set true here. That's why we have those bundles. Okay, good. So revision descriptor is null or file first rebuild match functions when at least one of the files needs to be loaded first or has changed. So to me it looks like this condition won't be hit, but it probably should be hit, right? So yeah, it jumps over here. Okay, so this is a problem. Well, one of the problems. Okay. Yeah, so we're missing some conditions here. Let's see. If I just get that here. Hold on, there's another loop coming. Let's see. Okay, it actually does go in here. Okay. Mesh functions build is false. Okay, great. Then next step. Is exe loaded? If not this, and then it sets all these guys to false. Okay, fair. And now the second iteration. Aha. Aha, aha. Oh. I see, I see, I see. It's comparing same file. Yeah, so what I think we need to do here for starters is set files 0 equals file. So basically first we need to reset it, I think. Here. So that it starts with clean slate. Oh, but that's not quite right because we don't want to change this guy. Hold on. No, it looks like we just want to reset these guys manually. Okay, so how about here we make a new loop. File equals that, files I file okay, and then we set this. Maybe we should have a reset function. Hold on. Because essentially here we do the same. How about maybe we should do the following. After this loop, we say this one. So if not matched functions built, then we will set these guys to false in a loop. In a loop. In a goddamn loop. Yeah. Let's move this here to another function. Let's put void rebuild. Or let's say schedule rebuilds. Or prepare rebuilds. That's better name. And then here we put this file, and then we reset these guys here to false. Ta-ta. Okay. And then here we say comparison descriptor files prepare rebuilds. Good. And then we can remove this guy. And yeah, and the rest we leave. Okay, and then if we go here into compare async, I guess this is fair because here in this function we clear the container. Create build bundles. I wonder if we should assert on this one here. Instead of setting it. Because we kind of expect that it's set to false, right? When we call this. Let's see. Bundles build. Yeah, because here it shouldn't go in there. Oops. It should not go in here. If... but hold on. Bundles build. Let's go in back in here. Yeah, here we have a check. If not bundles build, yeah. So we could make asserts. Maybe. Yeah. So we could say assert name functions build, not name functions build. Do we want to do that? I'm not sure. Probably. Okay, a lot of asserts. A lot of asserts. Okay, hopefully we don't hit those. Well, we'll see. Okay. I guess that's fair. Oof. Yeah, let's see if that works then. Okay, so we first compare these two. Yeah, okay, this looks fair. Nothing wrong. Now we change it. Compare. And this looks correct. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Great. Loaded exe. Yeah. Okay, it looks like the rows and columns look okay now. They are properly on one row. There's no padding in between here. I wonder if that is a problem. Let's mute the audio. I wonder if that is a problem. Like, it's a bit tight here, right? It looks a little bit cramped. Okay, but I am. It's good to see that the column works, the column approach. So we can make new rows with two columns, but it's quite a bit of boilerplate. Okay, let's delete here this commented stuff. Maybe we can clean this up a bit. Okay, but this is cool. Works. Show bundles. What happens if we resize? Yeah. Yeah. That is. Prepare. Okay. Drop bundles combo box. Yeah, so this is getting quite a bit complicated with the rows. Yeah. Files, bundles, builds. Bundles. Maybe we should. It is a bit complicated because it's. But how would we improve that then? Table next row. Table next row. Table set column next. So the problem I have here is like there are all these steps involved. Well, I mean, this stuff here could be moved into another function, and then this as well here, this stuff. So there are opportunities to make this smaller. Yeah. But I wouldn't want to use a lambda function as ChatGPT has suggested. It just makes it more of a mess to look at and to debug. So I think this is fairly nice in that regard. But yeah, I also don't like that we check here is content visible, and here that's a bit yeah. Well, we could make it not. Yeah. Okay, we could remove some of the indentation by changing it back to GUI begin child, right? And then we do GUI and child. Then we remove this. And then we do the same for the table. Begin table. Ah, hold on. We still need to check begin child. Yeah, we won't gain anything by this. Yeah, no, that's too bad. No, I guess it has to be like this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No borders and body. What does that mean? Okay, let's just keep going for now. Maybe what we can do is also use this table set column index. Also put it here for consistency. Then we do here next row, which essentially should be the same thing. Okay. There's one thing I would like to look at, and that is file manager body. File manager descriptor. Here, this one. Item width. Compare. And that worked, yeah. Okay. I wonder if we should make this here also a drop-down box. This stuff. Because there's actually no reason it needs to be a list. Could also be like this here, right? Because there's all this dead space here, which doesn't seem to be necessary. But okay, we keep on going for now. It's fine. Good. So we have show bundles. Then next we should component bundles. Good. Maybe we should already submit what we have right now. Let's see. Prepare rebuilds. Get selected bundle type. Maybe we prepare rebuilds. Prepare rebuilds. Free container. Yeah, good. Let's submit this separate here. Properly rebuilds bundles when properly rebuild bundles when properly rebuild bundles when recomparing properly rebuild bundles when recomparing. Function bundles when recomparing. Okay, let's commit this. Let's stash and see if it compiles. Okay, then we do stash pop. Okay, and all right. Good, so get selected bundle type. Well, maybe we shouldn't submit it yet because we don't know yet if it actually works. Yeah, I would say we also implement the bundle lists and then we submit this. Yeah. Okay, but how about we take a break now and then continue after. Yeah. Okay, let's take a break. And I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.